Toyota Echo and light clunky noise at the front, very common problem on these small units. If you first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. Let's get started. And before you will go onto the vehicle, make sure you put a jack stand and you're safe and your vehicle is in park or e-brake applied and it's not going to roll. I'm going to show you what you can do and how to fix it. And by the way, I did my front end a year ago, and let's go underneath and see what's going on. All right, let's slide under, and as you can see here, zero sway bar, and there is a lower control arm, and here your sway bar link, sway bar connector, and those bushings, they're known to go bad, and as soon as they're wearing out, sway bar connector link is getting loose and it start making the clunky noise. And I replaced mine probably a year ago, probably around that time, a year and a half, and now it started making that clunky noise. If yours is worn out completely, no rubber left, or it's getting low, replace it. I'm going to just tighten it up, and that will be the fix probably for rest of the year. Okay, let's do it. 14mm socket and wrench. Let's just go a little bit. You don't have to go too crazy, just to squeeze the rubber lightly. Make sure it has no play like this. See, play is not good. There we go. Now no play. Perfect. Well, eventually this sway bar link needs to be replaced, but it's still good to go for some time and get rid of that clunky noise. Okay, and one more thing I want to show you too. Right, same thing on the passenger side, our sway bar link connector. Yeah, no more clunking. Okay, one more thing you probably need to check if you have that issue with the clunking is your sway bar frame bushings. You see engine subframe, and here's the sway bar, and one on the right, and it looks like new. And let's check the left side, and left side is good. That's not a cause of clunking. They sometimes cause the clunking, but they last way longer than those small ones. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, simple as that. Subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that, and no more clunking. Take care. Bye bye.